Hey, so if you're planning to take a loan in 2026, comparing options on NerdWallet is actually a really smart move. It helps you avoid high interest rates and pick the best deal. I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, first, open your browser or app and go to the official NerdWallet website. Then sign in using your email and password. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard where all the financial tools are available in one place. Now, look for the loans section. This is where you can compare personal loans, auto loans, student loans, and more. Next, click on Compare Loans. You'll see a list of loan offers from different lenders with different rates and terms. Now you can use filters to narrow things down. You can set loan amount, credit score range, repayment term, and interest rate preferences. After that, select a few loan options you want to compare. NerdWallet will show them side by side in a simple comparison view. Yeah, this is where it gets useful. You'll see things like APR, monthly payment, total repayment cost, fees, and approval requirements all together. Take your time here and check every detail carefully. Even a small difference in interest rate can change how much you pay overall. You can also click on each loan offer to read full details and see eligibility requirements before applying. So yeah, comparing loans on NerdWallet helps you choose the most affordable option instead of just picking randomly. And if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more easy finance guides like this. Thanks for watching.